guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Tichie. Karibu. In today's video I'll be featuring Trendy B Fashion House. Now they sent me this lovely Ankara head wrap. Now Trendy B is a Kenyan brand and it is run by Nahulo Brenda. Now you see B stands for Brenda, so yes. And Brenda came up with this Ankara head wrap design, and she featured like the satin lining, because she knew like naturalistas love satin to protect their hair when they do head wraps. As in, naturalistas love head wraps, but it's drying to the hair, so the fact that it has a satin lining inside just makes it is a very unique design. So many people don't know how to wrap their hair, into an Ankara wrap. So this is like beginner friendly. It makes it so easy for you to wrap your hair. Like, you dunk your head in here and then you wrap. In this video I'm going to show you how I style this turban. So if you'd like to see that, then keep on watching. How easy it is to wrap this turban. And if you're like, girl, that ain't easy, at least it's beginner friendly, because you know it's better than being given a piece of fabric and you're told, go wrap. Okay. You can at least say it is beginner friendly, and you can play around with it and you can end up coming up with something really unique. So yeah, I'll leave the details to Trendy B Fashion House down in the description box so you can go check them out. Their head wrap retails for 1,000 bob, but if you stock, I'm sure if you stock their Instagram, you'll catch them at a deal and then you can stock up on your head wraps. But if you just want to get one and check it out, try it out before you fully commit to several head wraps, then I do suggest you check them out. Hiya guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. 82% of you haven't subscribed and I'm like, girl, you're watching my videos, you might as well subscribe so that you don't miss an upload. Yes. Be sure to share this with your friends or family. Share it on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.